All right, guys, today we're doing Fly, Eagles, Fly. It is the next hard request on the 2018 list. And let's take a listen to it. Fly, Eagles, fly, on the road to victory, and so forth. Hello, everyone. I'm Shawn and welcome to my Easy Piano Lessons. We're going to do the part 1 lesson here in a minute, but the rest of the lessons for this will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all mobile devices, your phones, your tablets, your desktop computers, whatever you have. You can enjoy webpianoteacher.com. I have 5,000 video lessons to date, and enough on there for a lifetime of music, certainly. All right, let's get started here. And look me up on Facebook if you want to see what new posts I'm making. Just do a Facebook search for webpianoteacher.com. All right, we're in the key of F, and here's the intro. And this is an arrangement I was given to do. It's actually on Twitter, and just a video of these guys. Some guy playing the piano, and everybody's singing. With great team spirit. This song, so it's kind of a piano accompaniment, so everyone can sing along with it. And so, a lot of fun. B natural, then C octave, then D octave. Ba-da-dum, because this is the intro. And then F, F, E. So da-da-da-da-da-da. The left hand will have G and F, which is the 7th apart. So now here we have G, B flat, C, E, G. That may be hard for some of you to play. I'm going to give you an alternate thing to do there instead of that. But if you can do it, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's too hard. You can do. You can just do this: C, E, G, B flat. So, but if you can stay down there, it's a little more strength down there. Bum, 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 bum. So, and then we go to our F chord on the next measure: F, A, C, F with 1, 2, 3, 5. Left hand on an F octave. Alright, if this lesson is too advanced for you, if you feel like you can't quite keep up, you want me to go slower, just giving you some trouble, try my 79 easy piano lessons on webpianoteacher.com. Just hit Browse Lessons, scroll down alphabetically to the letter L, and you'll see just lessons there, 79 of them to get you used to my method, used to the basics of piano and music. Alright, but let's continue. F octave, then C octave, and then F. So, bum, bum, bum. The little dots are staccato, so you'll play those short. So bum, bum, bum. You have to do some fast octaves here in your left hand. If you find you have trouble with the octaves, you can just switch to single notes. Okay, but try those octaves if you can. F, C, F, and then C, D, E. So bum, 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 bum. Octaves are all in the wrist, like many things, and you want to keep your arm very still, and just, it's kind of like flapping. Okay, it's all in the wrist. You've got to get the tension out of there. All right. So the right hand chord is F, A, C, F, 1, 2, 3, 5. So let's go slowly from the beginning and go. I'm singing it up an octave because it's here, fly, eagle, but I can't sing very high at all. So I'm singing it up. All right, now we'll go regular tempo. So we have a boom chuck accompaniment with some really neat chord progressions and chord changes, which kind of fit any school song. If you did your school song or fight song or whatever, they kind of have those same chord modulations and changes. It's really fun. So that next little part will involve an F octave to a C octave on the left. Bop, bop, bop. The right hand will have C, F, A, C. 1. You want to keep that staccato. Don't do this. But again, it's just a little flap. Okay, if you learn how to do that without tension, you'll be able to play a lot of things maybe that you weren't able to play before. All right, so there's our part 1. One more time. All right, there we go. And if you're not an Eagles fan, sorry about that. But I think it's possible to be a big fan of a team and still the other teams. So even though I'm not an Eagles fan, it's kind of fun to do this type of thing. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you later.